Okay, here he is. Dante's going to show us how to climb to the top of the spider here at Sticky Beaks, Kings Park, Perth, Western Australia. Dante will show us how to climb to the top at the ripe old age of 4 years old. Fear not, says Dante. He's going to show us how to climb to the top of the Eiffel Tower. Certainly looks like the Eiffel Tower, doesn't it? Yeah, it'll be quick. It'll be up and down. Yeah, can you order me one too?
Can you order me one too?
What are you getting, Nina? Alright, just give me some eggs. Eggs and that. Yeah, follow him up. Yusuke. Yeah, alright. Sure. Yusuke, here you go. Put on. He's a bit of a daredevil, old Dante. Ripe old age of 4 years old. Eh? Thinks he's Superman. He's nearly up the top. Yusuke's helping him out a little bit there. Usually unassisted. Hold on tight. Oh man. Well done, Dante. That'll do. Dante? That's enough. Okay, come down now. Well done. You did it in 3 minutes and 52 seconds. Dante? You did it in 3 minutes and 52 seconds. Well done. Alright, come on down now. No. I'm going to go get breakfast now. No, just wait there. Yusuke will help you out. What are you doing, mate?